Bah Vincent H Pala MP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong ubadeiru President Mathamai ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ula Kyntait ko khobor bu ni khun yak election jit nami khmat si yeng dor bathwai ka Jylla house nam arajar ar pulai habajubab ik jinkli na kilar thai khobor ul ong ba umdan kanu ka jingthmu bu ni khun yak election namale but ong bo khamla shadali namor ladan rupa lakatas nam.
I don't have plan to contest for the coming election, but I'll work for the party. Be whatever be the case, I think the party's interest is more important than my interest. So I'm very happy to be in Delhi. Actually, I think that I've established my contact base and all in Delhi to connect for the welfare of the people going here, especially to get lots of sanctions in roads or railways, or they don't allow railways, otherwise we have got, and even all the central subjects. But normally I don't interfere in the state subject, except when the ministers comes and ask me, take us to the different ministries, take us to the different departments and all. So I think Delhi is quite more than enough for me to be. I think Kongamperin many times told me that she wants to go to Delhi, and you come to Lajumkra. I said, come, you be there in Lajumkra, you know better, and then I'll be in Delhi. So I think it's good for me to be in Delhi also. Now I have to give time for my party here. With the facilities which I get as an MP, I can access to all over my constituency. Plus, with the president, I can go to Garo Hills. I've been to Garo Hills also. Now, but as I told you before that I'll tour every constituency serial-wise. I almost completed Kyntait Hills. Now I'll start touring to Riboy and others. I hope within this month I'll be able to complete the entire constituencies and the entire blocks in the state. That's my aim and determination, so that I know every constituencies. Or frankly speaking, I have not traveled much in Garo Hills because it's not my constituency. But this time I think I have to do it.